I was lost, dreaming of the woman that I learned to be. She is tough and she knows love is everywhere her light will reach. No need to search for someone who brings her shelter. She knows the answer lies deep within her soul. She's born alone. When I forget, lose sight of my path, the ancient wisdom that I own brings me back where I belong, shows me the direction home. I'm on a journey to learn to love myself more. Will open new doors. Yes, I know I will meet me when one is healed. All are healed. All are healed. The winds of change knock on my door as I surrender to the flow. I know that God has a plan for me. I am ready to let go. So I bless every heartache to bring me closer to my true nature until I meet with that one who's meant for me.